Right now, I entered a breakout trade. Um, let's get at it. Let me show you what's going on. So, okay, so I found a breakout trade right here. Um, I had sent a buy order over here earlier, but I, it went bearish, so it sold off. And I put my stop loss like way over here, so it didn't hit. It reversed from it, and so I made some buy entry in here. When it hit its low, it made a double bottom. So it's price reversal, and I found a badass trend. So it went from a downtrend selling to this little accumulation stage, or yeah, where it was consolidating, and then it broke out of that, and then draw another line right here. It broke out of that, came up, came back down, tested over here, and broke out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna follow that with my stop loss. I'll just trailing stop loss. Okay, a breakout trade is a popular trading strategy used by day traders to take advantage of price movements when a stock or other financial instrument breaks out of a defined trading range or pattern. In this strategy, traders wait for a stock to break through a specific level of support or resistance, which signals a potential trend reversal or continuation. Once the price breaks out, traders enter a position in the direction of the breakout with a stop loss in place to limit potential loss if the price reverses. For example, if a stock has been trading in a range between 50 and 55 and then suddenly breaks through the 55 resistance level, a breakout trader may the stock with a target price of 60, expecting the price to continue to rise in the direction of the breakout. Breakout trades can be effective because they take advantage of market momentum and can result in quick profits if the trader enters at the right time. However, they can also be risky as false breakouts can occur, leading to losses if the trader is not careful. Therefore, it is important for traders to carefully monitor the price, action, and market conditions to determine when to enter and exit a breakout trade. So that was Chat GPT, the AI generated response. They went in on that shit. Couldn't have put it better myself. So what we're gonna do is follow it, trail it, stop loss with a trail. So modify position. This one doesn't have a stop loss, and I can apply one. I don't know why. With this one I can, so I'll follow it with this one. Um, I don't know. I should just let it play out. I shouldn't trail it until it hits like. That's only 83 points. They could go up all the way to this line. I think it's too early to trail it. I gotta let it go up a little bit. I could trail this to right here, secure those profits. So now if it touches down here, it'll close out that trade and take this right here, 31. That's this trade right here, this bottom one. I'm waiting for, this one I bought way the fuck up here. Buy order right here, and I put my stop loss like way down here, and it didn't even hit the stop loss, so it ended up reverting from it. There's a nice double bottom pattern right here. Could only just hit this level right here because that is a key level. Because it tested over here. I think I'm gonna put it on the top part because it touches more wicks. See, it touches these wicks over here, and it touches these wicks. So that's like a kind of like a key area that I want to keep into consideration. So right here we got a new little uptrend. Got a new little uptrend right there. Yeah. So that's what I'm following right here. It's making its new highs and lows, highs, low, high, low. A high, a low, a higher high, and a higher low. You know what I'm saying? And then it breaks that support area, and it makes another one. So that's signifies that we got an uptrend. It's just how long is it going to go? I don't know, because we're in a minute time frame. So if you think about it, that could be the end of the uptrend, and then it just goes back down if after it touches this area, rests. But I I kind of want to close off this one because I don't know why it's not letting me apply a stop loss. Um, like that's weird. See, it's not letting me enter a stop loss, but it's about to hit the profit area. I mean the target. So, oh, that one doesn't have a stop loss. This one, I believe it has a stop loss. Oh, it's past the target. Uh, oh yeah, take profits way the fuck up here. But that's why I want to execute it at like. It's just weird how this one's not letting me apply a stop loss. Oh shit. Shit just going down. See, it took profit on the other one. I mean, it hit the stop loss on the other one, so it closed it out. Now this one's making a reversal. But I'm pretty sure. I mean, I'm not sure. I can't be sure. it secured that last one. Yeah, let's go. It's gonna continue. That trend. Hope. I mean, looks uh, pretty good. Price action. Let's regenerate the response. I'm gonna regenerate the AI response. Let's go. Um Regenerate response. In day trading, a breakout trade is a strategy that involves buying or selling an asset when it breaks out of range or a pattern that is having that has been trading within. The idea behind this strategy is that once the asset breaks out of its previous range, it is likely to continue moving in the same direction as the breakout, resulting in a profitable trade. For example, let's say stock has been trading in the range between 50 and 60. Okay, it's using the same for the past few days. And you notice that it just broke above the 60. That could be a signal that the stock is about to make a significant move upward. So you might decide to buy the stock in the hopes of profiting from the upward momentum. Alternatively, if the stock has broken down below 50, you might decide to sell the stock if the hopes of profiting from the downward momentum. To execute a breakout trade effectively, day traders will typically use technical analysis to identify key levels of support and resistance, and then monitor the assets closely for signs of a breakout. Once a breakout occurs, they will enter a trade with a stop loss order in place to limit the potential losses if the trade doesn't go as planned. So that was the same. I asked Chat GPT AI explain to me what a breakout trade is when it comes to day trading. And the first response I read, and I generated the response for a second time, and that's that. Um, so that's what we had right here. We had a little consolidation period where it was a sideways market, and then it broke out of that, made a trend. Right now, we got another little consolidating area. It's breaking out of it. If you think about it, like this little sideways pattern, it broke out of that pattern and went downwards. So, um, I might want to place a sell order. But ChatGPT had the right mindset, trading mindset. Yeah. See how it totally broke that structure and just went downwards, and I missed out on that. I missed out on that bad. That's all potential trading potential. That's all. Like, and that was a strong ass candle too. Like, fuck, I missed out on that breakout. Like, this was a little sideways market. You know what I'm saying? And it broke out. It broke out of that sideways market. It broke. It was went sideways in a range in market, and it broke out of that, and boom, I missed that opportunity. I missed that Fedia Holmes. Um, Right now I have an order in play. This one that I freaking, oh, what the hell? This first one that I did like way earlier was like all the way up here. See, I bought it up here by, and I thought I was gonna continue to go upwards, but that was a dumb entry. Because if I look at this now, re-looking at it, it's just like, wow, I see where I went wrong. I see, like, I know why when I priced that entry right there on that top one, I was at an hour long, and I was looking at the chart from uh, a bigger time frame. So I had thought like, oh, this was a high, and it made a low, and then it was gonna make another higher high. But I didn't realize that I was at an hour time frame, and you're supposed to look at an hour and then go downwards, and then make your entries like around over here in this area at a higher frequency instead of a longer duration, like because you want to get in and out of the market, not sit here all day and look at the fucking, like, um. So that's why my stop loss and my take profit was all the way the hell down here and all the way up here, like 435 pips, 349 pip differentiation from the buy, which is right here in the center blue one. So that one, like, I was just waiting for it. Now, like, I had to wait. Like, that if I closed out on that one over here, like, that would have been a gotcha loss. So I literally have to wait it out for price to move back up here, or for it to just hit my stop loss, and then I lose out on $3. What? Yeah, $6 because it's two of them. Because 3.45 pips or negative 3 points is 349 points is, that's uh like three fucking dollars on here, but those $3 they turn over because the margin and leverage and all that, they give you more buying power. So that's, um, yeah. But right here is just like pennies. Let's see, this is the volume of it. So like with this leverage and margin in effect, my 1 penny is actually like 10 cents or like a fucking dollar. You know what I'm saying? Like the volume of it, because that's what the margin and leverage account do, like increase your buying power, which is kind of cool once I understand it all and I actually like pull profits. Then it's gonna be super super cool. But as of right now, like I'm kind of learning it, understanding it. Like I'm literally doing these videos like so I could rewatch them and like reteach myself and be like, okay, this is where I went wrong, this is where I went right. Every time I reread one of my notes, it's literally for like, this is the whole process. You know what I'm saying? This is a minute to win it. God, chose me. Damn, that's like literally like I'm literally like fucking getting brutally smacked right now. Just because those entries that I placed like fucking an hour ago. I was waiting for it to reverse, for price to reverse. Because I bought here, but it's the market is bearish. It's selling. I mean, it's bearish as well. So I'm really losing out on those trades. These two, but the last ones I smacked on because the whole uh, like mindset was there. Let me see. The last two where I was explaining the breakouts were actually good because I had realized like, oh, this is a breakout. But these ones that I have open are just like because I fucking opened it up at a higher time frame and I was like, I didn't mean to. So now I have to wait for price to reverse, and I have my stop loss set super high. Let's try to find another breakout. I'm out of here. Deuces.